I'm Darshan Prajapati. Welcome to my complete n8n automation course that is from beginner to advanced. If you have ever wanted to automate tasks, connect apps, or build your own workflows, this course is for you. In this series, we'll start from the very basics, understanding what n8n is, how to install it, and how to create your first workflow. Not only that, but you will learn how to use triggers, set nodes, manage data, how to handle APIs, and how to connect tools like Google Sheets, Telegram, or OpenAI without writing complex code. Is it interesting, right? Then we will move to the advanced section where things get really exciting. You will explore complex data flows, sub workflows, advanced technical nodes, error handling, file operations, and even learn how to build your own mini AI agents using n8n. On top of that, every concept is explained step by step with live demos and real world use cases. So by the end of this course, you will be ready to automate almost anything that is from personal productivity to business systems. Whether you are a student, developer, freelancer, or entrepreneur, this course will help you save time, boost efficiency, and unleash the power of automation. So enroll now and let's start building your automation superpower with n8n. I'll see you inside the course.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.